Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a part 2 for Will You Press the Button. So you guys know how to do it since you watched the last video, and if you haven't watched the last video, you should probably go check it out. So anyways, let's get started. So, first one. You get to sleep with your eyes open in class, but spit falls down your mouth every time you do this. Yeah, I'd be okay with that. Alright. You get to be skinny for the rest of your life, but you can never eat chocolate. No. Alright. You can create your own game, and it becomes the best game ever and goes down in history. But you become greedy with money and power, and EA buys you out. No. I don't want to be greedy. You can travel to the past and destroy Hitler before the Holocaust, but you'll be stuck in the past for the rest of your life. No. You gain the ability to teleport yourself by concentrating on where you want to go, but you need to do complex physical and geometric calculations to end up where you want to. Errors can result in serious injury, loss of limbs, and death. No. You can have sex with anyone you want. Nicolas Cage will also watch you 2 feet away. Nicolas Cage. I don't care. You can speak any language you want, but you forget one of the languages you already knew. No. You will get drunk and have the best night of your life. You will vomit 100 times the next day. No. Reality is replaced with that of your favorite childhood cartoon. It will happen every week, once a week, and only you will be conscious of it happening, even if your friends take part in any adventures. Sure. You will be awesome and sweet. You will be ugly. I mean, looks don't matter, so it makes sense. You can eat anything in the world, even poison or non-edible items, and you won't die or suffer health issues. Eating your favorite food will kill you. Sure, I'll do it. You have the potential become a Super Saiyan 1, 2, or 3. But 5 random people you know, including yourself, get diagnosed with cancer. No. You can be the richest person in the world, but video games will no longer made. I think it means video games will be no longer made. Oh. Just start a company to make video games. Freaking ads. You are able to see in the dark. You can't see yourself in a mirror. I don't know about this. No, I'm good. You can talk to cats. They are really racist and hate you. Now, Gabe Newell lovingly smothers you face, saying HL3 baby. But Portal 3 will never be released. I don't see any good thing, because I don't know Gabe Newell. You gain omniscience, infinite knowledge of everything. You have it for 24 hours, and afterwards you gain permanent Down syndrome. No, I'm good. Alright, you are paid $10 million to attend 1 year of incredibly intensive combat, survival, and weapons training. Once per month for the next 10 years, a randomly selected world government will dispatch an assassin to attempt to kill you. Sure, I'll do it. You will invent time travel, but people will use it to go back in time and make sure this button is never pressed. Really? No, I'm good. You save your mother of a incurable illness, but your father dies. No. I love my father. You to do anything you want. I think means you can do anything you want. But every time you do this thing, a loved one dies. No. I think I got that one in the last episode. You will become immensely successful in the field of your choosing, i.e. science, philosophy, business. Yeah. You will go through life watching everyone around you slowly drift away from you, and your success will be your downfall. No. Alright, you can have all girls you want. You will look like Justin. No. No. Because then people will think I'm Justin Bieber and then they'll start hating me. You are immortal and have Wolverine powers, but you are teleported to the most forsaken place in the universe. Well, I'd still be immortal, so... Get a blowjob from Jessica Simpson. Give a blowjob to O.J. Simpson. I don't know what that means, but okay. You can time travel, but you can never return to present time. No. I don't care about your stupid girl games. Alright. Your favorite character is real, but so is their entire universe and all of its problems. Sure. You live a pleasant and relatively quiet life with a job that pays well, but you're fat and your only friends constantly make fun of you. No, I'm good. You'll have infinite knowledge of everything, but you'll only live to 45. Hey, I could figure out the cure to cancer and all that stuff. Be able to snap your fingers and appear exactly how you want to appear, clothes, hair, blah blah blah. But you have to live by candlelight for the rest of your life. Sure, I'll do that. You ensure the physical safety, financial security, and livelihood of any immediate family member you have, but you have a 60% chance of dying if you touch the button. I'm good. Yeah, I think that's gonna do for that video today. So, thank you all for watching, and if you want to, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.